much, Ryder from All Things Automotive. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you're all having a wonderful Tuesday so far. Today we're going to take a look at this 2013 Jeep Wrangler Sport and a Gecko Pearl Coat exterior. Now I would also like to mention that this vehicle has a clean CARFAX with 2 previous owners. It also has a couple of different groups on it. It has the connectivity group as well as the power convenience group. And it does have the quick order package 24S, where we're going to walk around, show you some features, advantages, and benefits to own this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end, the first things you'll take notice of are these gorgeous halogen headlights. As I come right below that, you'll see the running fog lights. You also take notice there on that front bumper of the black powder coated tow hooks. As I come up from that, you'll see the black girl insert hidden by that paint match colored bumper. And finally here for the front end, take notice of that chrome Jeep logo. As we make our way to the side, let's go ahead and take a second and look at these wheels real quick. As you can see, it is going to come with 17-inch aluminum wheels. Not to mention the tires are 255/75 like new all the way around, just like every other vehicle here at All Things Automotive. Now you are going to have some little running boards for your added convenience of getting in and out of the vehicle. And if we take a look at the front side of your mirrors, they are going to be heated, so don't ever worry about them getting frosty in the wintertime. While we're over here though, let's go ahead and take a second and look at this interior. As you can see, it is going to come with a premium black cloth interior with the black stitching running down the sides. And as we turn around to the dash, you are going to see that black dash finish up top, as well as staying consistent down below on your glove box. Speaking of the glove box, let's go ahead and drop that, grab the inspection sheet out for you guys, show you guys the tire depths as well as the brakes. Now, on this specific Jeep Wrangler, your tire depths for the left and right front are going to be 9 and 32 seconds, with your left and right rear being 10 and 32 seconds. Brakes in the front are going to be 16 and 32 seconds, with your rear brakes being 15 and 32 seconds. Taking a quick peek here in the back seat, as you can see, that premium black cloth interior is going to stay consistent. Also on the ground there, you are going to have 2 cup holders and the all-weather line mat, so don't ever worry about getting your carpet dirty. Coming around to the rear, that Jeep Wrangler patented 5th wheel is going to be right back here where it typically is. Not to mention, you are going to have a singular black powder coated tow hook back here as well. While we're back here, let's go ahead and open it up, show you guys how much trunk space there actually is. Now, as you can see, there is a small amount of storage space back here to haul groceries or anything that you guys could possibly think of. Making our way through some of the interior features of this vehicle is going to come equipped with power locks and manual seat adjustments. Hopping on in now, we're going to go ahead and start it up for you guys. Now you're going to take notice that this vehicle is going to come with just over 128,000 miles on it. And there are plenty of options here on the interior, so we're going to go ahead and show you guys every single one of those. If we take a look here at the left knob behind your steering wheel, you're going to see all of your headlight adjustment settings, as well as your high beams, low beams, and turn signals. You also take notice of a small little slide here as well, which will be the brightness to your driver display. Taking a look at the right side behind your steering wheel, you are going to have your front and rear windshield wiper adjustments. The left side is going to be your middle display, as well as your touch to talk options. And on the right side, you'll have all of your cruise control options. Coming over here into the middle, you are going to have a stereo system equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and part of that power connectivity group, you are going to have Bluetooth ready in here as well. Now, if we come right below that, as part of the power connectivity group, you are going to have power windows, as well as power mirrors down there as well. You're also going to see the climate control right there at the touch of your fingertips. Not to mention your traction control, your hill start assist, as well as your 4-ways. There is a 12-volt plug-in over there as well. In most Jeep Wranglers, you do have your netted storage up here in the front. This is going to be all of your different drive modes down here to the bottom left. You are going to have your 2 high, 4 high, neutral, and your 4 low. Your beautiful shifter knob there as well, with your options for manual shifting once you come back into drive. 2 cup holders, your e-brake, and this center console is going to be a 2-part center console. So if we go ahead and hold the right side lever, as you can see, it's going to open up into a smaller storage compartment up front. With holding that left lever down, it is going to open up into a much deeper storage compartment with another 12-volt plug-in. Now, most people have questions about what the actual rooftop is in this vehicle. And these Jeep Wranglers have a bunch of different rooftop options. However, this one does come with the 3-piece hardtop, which does allow for easy opening during the summertime for natural air. Taking a look underneath the hood, you'll find a 3.6-liter V6 engine with 285 horsepower. And you also take notice that our engine bay is coming extremely clean and very well maintained, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you can find. Here in the front, you are going to have just a couple of your very small typical stone chips. Like I said in every other video, the only way to avoid these is to keep it garage kept its entire life. Coming down the passenger side of the body, you are going to have some slight imperfections here on the wheel. Coming back and taking a look at the actual body, the body is in extremely good condition. No scratches, no marks, no dings, no dents here along the passenger side. I will mention here on your hardtop roof, you will have some slight paint chips there at the top. Showing you guys this rear passenger side tire. It's in extremely good condition, as well as the rim. Coming around to the rear, you are going to have some more slight imperfections here on this hardtop as well. However, the body is in extremely good condition back there. Same thing for the body coming down along the driver's side. Here on the door panel, gonna go ahead and open it up just so you guys can get a better look at it. There is a very small imperfection there on the door. However, other than that, this body is in extremely good condition. No scratches, no marks, no dings, no dents. Really quickly, gonna show you guys the rear driver's side tire as well as the front. As you guys can see, that tire is in extremely good condition, as well as that rim. And then finally, like I said, this front driver's side rim and tire, also in very good condition. Your wheel is gonna have a very small imperfection there. That's all I have for you guys today on this 2013 Jeep Wrangler Sport. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, options 1 for sales. Go to allthingsautomotive.com or go ahead and stop on out at 21518 Great Cove Road in McCollumsburg, PA. If you want to see more amazing vehicles just like this one, hit that like and subscribe, and make sure to turn push notifications on as well. Have a wonderful Tuesday, guys.